Knock, knock. Is anyone home?
No. No.
Nobody's home?
No. No.
I'm gonna come in.
No.
Can I fit in there?
No.
No? Oh, are you shutting the door? Are you shutting the door on me? You broke the door. I like your hair, Naomi.
This is our window.
I think Lucas wants to come in. Can Lucas come in?
Come on in. Come on.
Can Lucas come in?
Lucas, come on. Oh. Let's trick it.
You gonna go in, Lucas? You gonna go in their house? Go ahead.
Mom. In here.
I like your hair, Lucas.
Because you be bad.
Did you go in?
Oh, she is. No, you have to turn out.
Look at Lucas's hair, guys. What are you doing in there? Uh-oh. You lost your roof.
Rain's gonna come in.
You're gonna get rained on. You want me to help you get your roof back on?
Yeah.
Here comes Lucas.
Everybody get inside. Oh, our roof. And oh, it smells terrible. Who's doing that? You missed it. He was already in here.
Gabriel's at his own little house. You want to go visit him?
The girls should
Go
have.
visit him.
The girls sort of own the land. Look at this.
The girls took all the territory. You're stuck with this little shelter.
I'd call it home.
Yeah, it's nice. It looks
For a
good.
child. Yeah.
Own it, Gabriel.
Yeah.
Own it.
Own it.
I see you.
Hi.
I
That's a window. You can't record through a window.
I can see you. Oh,
This is our house. Don't record our
I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it so I can't see you. Naughty. Naughty.
And use the door. I use the door.
You've been evicted. Yeah, you gotta go back to your shabby little home. Here comes Lucas. Is Lucas coming? Come on, Lucas. Whoa, 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 big boy. Whoa, whoa. Lucas is coming in now.
I'm going first. Ow, Gabriel! Hello.
Hi, Alphonsus.
Hi.
You get to come in the house
Uh-huh.
because you helped build it.
Yeah.
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 Here comes Lucas. Lucas is coming in. Are you going to go in, Lucas? Let's go in the fort, Lucas. Come on. Let's go. Let's go check it out. You want to go check it out? Go ahead. Go see who's in there.
Is this your Lucas?
You changed your mind.
Come on,
Who's in there? Go ahead.
It's not scary,
Let's
but it's
go
very
see.
dark.
Oh, it is very dark. Who's in here?
Me.
Hi, you two.
And me.
Whoa, it is a little tight in here.
Especially for a grown woman like you.
What was that, Alphonsus?
Especially for a grown woman like you.
Hi, Naomi.
Hi.
Are you in the fort? Hi, Maddie. Hi, Sophia.
Hi.
How'd you get that spot? It's a little warm in your fort. Can you turn the heat down?
No.
Hi, you two.
You lifted our roof. You'll wreck it round.
Hi, Naomi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Our door broke.
This is a pretty cool fort.
Hello. We have a visitor. Mom, look, we got a door.
Okay. He's not so sure about your house.
He likes mine though.
Bye.
Bye. Only Madeline.
Lucas finally went in. What do you think of the fort, Lucas?
Rhoda.
You like it?
Like it?
You like the fort?
Don't worry, it's stable. It's not gonna fall on us.
Hi, guys. You still hanging out back there, Madeline?
And I'm still hanging out the window.
What do you think of the fort, Lucas? He's going in.
Do you want to close the door?
Oh, Naomi's coming back. Here comes Naomi. Ding dong. Oh, shut the door. Is anybody home in there?
No.
Yes, you are. Here she is.
Wait, my pillow's in the bathroom.
Go get it.
I'm gonna go get some water.
Are you coming in, Lucas?
I'm going in.
Come on, Lucas. Okay, catch him, okay?
Okay.
Whoa! What'd you do?
Coming back in. Okay. I got that one. Ow! So in my head, it's Lucas. Don't hang out the window.
Whoa! What are you doing?
Lucas is going back in. Going in the front. It's a little dark. You might not be able to see it on camera. I know. Sophia, it's really fun. Here's the entrance. Ow. We're going down.
Go in, Naomi. Where's Naomi?
Naomi's right here.
Oh, Naomi, you got so much bigger when you were in the fort. You must have grown. Who's coming out? It's Naomi! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You can't crawl on the roof. You can't crawl on the roof. You got him, Sophia?
Yeah, I got him.
Now you can take it apart. Take it apart. Uh-oh. Help him out. Help him out.